Hey everyone, my name is Isaiah Torres, currently a junior, and my major is economics. This is course IF303, and let's get started. The first topic I thought was interesting was basic HTML, learning the meaning of code, understanding where we can add in material, such as our name, titles, pictures, is very important, and how when we save, we can refresh the page, how everything comes to life was very intriguing, very interesting. I find very important because we live in the digital world where everyone is on a website at some point in time. The second topic that I believe is important is information privacy. Understanding that when we agree to terms such as Facebook creating an account, Facebook, the things aren't private at all. We're giving up our privacy to use that resource. We believe that we control our own privacy, but we're really not. We choose to believe that we are able to upload pictures, take down pictures without anyone knowing. But the truth is that there's still that. It's still there somewhere online in the internet. And we need to understand that. We need to be aware of what we're uploading and think about it more. The topics that I believe we missed in this class were using different software such as Adobe, Photoshop, Excel. I feel like these are important softwares that employers will expect us to know how to use. We didn't touch on them at all. I feel the other thing is learning about programming. We touched about programming just a bit with HTML, but there's different types of programming such as Java, C++, and what those things look like. It's very important, I believe. The biggest takeaway is to Google resources, such as Google Docs, slides, calendar, and being able to incorporate that in our daily lives, being able to work together in teams and groups while using these resources, not relying on one person to share one document at a time, being able to go in and make changes at a moment's notice is something that is very important and applies to the work environment. So, of course, thanks.